What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. I've lost count, so I'm just going to say welcome back to another Jamaican Patois for Beginners lesson. As usual, we don't want to draw it out and make it too long and boring, but you know I gotta tell you that if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and get active in the comments. Also, I would like to say welcome and thank you to all my new subscribers, and if you've been riding with me, thanks for holding it down. I love y'all. I hope you enjoy the content, whatever content I create, and I hope you'll get active in the comments with your requests on your video ideas or whatever you want to see, or just talk to me, say hey or what's up. We're friends, don't be afraid. Welcome, big welcome, and a lot of hugs. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Today we're just doing some random words. You think we did done? No sir, you can't done when it comes to patois words. I don't know, we have a word for everything. So there you go. Get active in the comments. If you have words that you'd like me to tell you how we would say it in Jamaican Patois, you just drop those comments. So the first word in Jamaican Patois is cha. And cha just simply means chew, like chewing a cud, chewing a gum, something like that. But we say cha, C-H-A-W, cha. Yeah, you just a cha your mouth, so chew, cha. So cha in Jamaican Patois and chew in English. Number 2 on the list is going to be flitters. Jamaicans like to say flitters or flitters. Some people say flitters, some say flitters. Regular Jamaican talk, you'll hear flitters. Yeah, me I fry 2 flitters. Yeah, me really like flitters. Yes, me like saltfish flitters. Yes, me like banana flitters. The real word is fritters. Fritters. F-R-I-T-T-E-R-S. Fritters. But Jamaicans say flitters. Number 3 on the list is going to be icening. Jamaicans like to say icening. So Jamaican Patois, icening. The real word, my Jamaican friends, is icing. Icing on the cake, not icing on the cake. Icing on the cake. So icing in Jamaican Patois, I-C-E-N-I-N-G, icing in Jamaican Patois, but just icing in English, I-C-E-I-N-G, icing. Icing, icing. 4th word on my list today is gonna be plantain. Jamaican Patois, plantain. The word is plantain in English. Plantain in English, plantain. Patois, plantain. Jamaicans say plantain. Yes, me go fry 2 plantain now. Yes, me like fry plantain. Yes, me like plantain dumpling. We say plantain, but it's plantain. I personally prefer plantain. Plantain, but the English word I guess is plantain. So plantain in Jamaican Patois, plantain in English. 5th word in Jamaican Patois is penguin. Penguin. Jamaicans will say penguin. The word in English is penguin. Penguin, penguin. Penguin in English. Jamaican Patois, penguin. Penguin, 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 penguin. And you'll hear other, variation of the pronunciation in Patois. The 6th word in Jamaican Patois, and a lot of people have this surname in Jamaica, Smith. They say Smith, Smith, S-I-M-I-T, Smith, but the word is Smith. Smith, Smith. Smith in English, Smith in Jamaican Patois, Smith in Jamaican Patois, Smith in English, Smith in English. The 7th word in Jamaican Patois is going to be envelope. Jamaicans like to say envelope, envelope. The proper English word is envelope. Envelope. But envelope in Jamaican Patois, envelope. Yes, put the letter in an envelope. Envelope. Proper English word, envelope. Number 8, the Jamaican Patois word is tarpaulin. Tarpaulin, tarpaulin, you know that big thing people use it to spread in the shed or spread over the shed or something. Well, English is tarpaulin. So Jamaican we say trap, but the real word is tar, T-A-R, tarpaulin. Tarpaulin. But Jamaican Patois, tarpaulin. So if you ever go Jamaica and it is a tarpaulin, just know they're talking about tarpaulin. Tarpaulin, tarpaulin in Patois, tarpaulin in English. The 9th word in Jamaican Patois lesson for today is going to be stangerine. Patois, stangerine. I don't know why we like to say stangerine. Even I say stangerine sometimes. But the English word is tangerine. Tangerine. There's no S in it. It's tangerine. So in Patois, you may hear stangerine, stangerine. But in English, they just mean tangerine. Tangerine. You know, yeah, that fruit. Yeah. Vitamin C. Yeah. 10 in today's lesson is going to be, Jamaicans like to say maggage. 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 So basically, if there's worm or something in the mango or worm in the meat, if the meat spoiled, they say the meat have maggage or the mango have maggage. But the proper English word is maggot. Maggot. If you hear they say magic or maggage and they're talking about meat or mango or something spoiled, magic or maggage, we're just talking about maggot. Maggot. Number 11, in patois you may hear, not all the time, but you may hear people say swims. Swims, it just means shrimp. Shrimps, and in Jamaican patois people may say swims. Swims, shrimp. So if you go to Jamaica, you hear they're talking about something to eat and they're gonna cook some swims, you know, swims, or they're gonna buy some swims, or they like pepper swims. It's just shrimp, peppered shrimp. So swims in patois, shrimp in English. And final word in today's lesson is going to be Jamaican patois, panganat. Panganat. I really like that word, panganat. But the English word is pomegranate. Pomegranate. So if you ever go to Jamaica, if you're ever around a Jamaican and you hear they're talking about panganat, they're just talking about pomegranate. Yes, that fruit, pomegranate. It's pomegranate. Pomegranate. But in Jamaican patois, it's panganat. Panganat in Jamaican patois, pomegranate in English. So that was the final word in today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in my next upload. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.